Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be looking at how to play that popular folk song, Oh Susanna, which was written by Stephen Foster somewhere around 1848. Here's what Oh Susanna looks like when it's written down in the key of C. And here is how it sounds. C, D, E, G, G, A, G, E, C, D, E, E, D, C, D. C, D, E, G, G, A, G, E, C, D, E, E, D, D, C. F, F, A, G, G, E, C, D. C, D, E, G, G, A, G, E, C, D, E, E, D, D, C. Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.